Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get 20 to 40% discount on Gold President. You get the discount on any of their product that you buy. So first of all, you should click on the discount link in the description below. I'll put the link in the description below. So what this link does is that it automatically helps you apply any current discount to your product. For example, let's say you want to buy this necklace and you click on shop. So if you click on add to cart, as you can see, if you click on proceed to checkout, so as you can see, it has automatically helped you add the most recent discount, which is the summer discount, because this is the summer period and this is about 40% discount. So in a situation that you click on the link in the description below and during your checkout you cannot find any automatically applied discount code, then you can apply the discount code by yourself. So guys, if you apply this discount code, it is going to give you a 20% discount on your order. That is if you click on the link and it does not automatically help you add any discount code, then you can use this one to get 20% off. But by clicking on the link, you are going to get access to the latest discount code available. See you in the next video.